on, party. Look how it's shot. Watch out. Shot to the world. French Connection.
I come late, so sorry for them, but BETV are the number one. I doubt me at BETV, I love you. You come and you make it see me part done early, but I want love. You're gone, so big up yourself. But I love to big up full yard. You see me I say full yard, carry man, for the man there.
What do you think about French Connection?
It's a guan. It is shut down. What do you mean? Everything a guan, everything hot. But it's a pot. Look at the place. Look at the place.
Everybody enjoy themselves. You don't know.
Yard, yes, original French Connection. Yeah. Big up Johnny French, big up C's French. I'm not disrespecting nobody else, but these are original French. Yeah. And French Connection said DJ Kenny from day one.
Long
big
time.
up my guys. This was a very nice party. This was a really good look. And the French Connection movement is taking off.
All right,
yes.
June Plum, big up yourself. Biggie Bantan.
Kenny and June Plum go way back like Cassie.
Long time.
Yes.
Way back like Cassie.
Right.
All right. I mean, I say big up Biggie Bantan. They don't do the thing of it, man. Circle the girls them now. Let me show you what I go on a Black Legacy. Let me show you what I go on a Black Legacy. When you come a Black Legacy, you see at buckle girls like these. Look how the buckle girl at. Come here, buckle girl. See there? She hot. Listen, man, she hot. I was a Black Legacy.
Yeah. We're putting on the girl them outside. Boom, boom. To the next level. A danger does his attack. French Connection to the world. Johnny Cash, Seas, Nika French. You don't know, try. Anyway, you're there, you don't know the thing set up. Jedi. Yeah, the real boss. Don't know. Big up Malvo. Real boss. Wang Sang, Twizzle, Seller, Bananas. Yeah. Make a boy slide. Don't know how do all things set. Yeah. But you don't know, see a TV here. So you just say a gully side. Where you say B, short to the road, Adman Lane. You don't know the sit set around a gully, you know. 4 roads. Yeah. Spring. Yeah. Cassava Peace. Don't say a word. Yeah. But right now, Brooklyn with it. Johnny Cash, French Connection.
Up artist, my friend, right here, so big up ourselves. Yeah.
50s, 40s, and 90s.
No, me not lie, all the party shots. Big up, big up, big up.
Man, see how the fuck you when you run the cocky in your back way. You hear the pussy, you go like tie your punch on your palm. Fickle, fuckle, fickle, fuckle. Lifestyle. Lifestyle. See party there. See those come back to you. Jesus Christ. What's your name? What's your name?
You know what on me, I fit well heavy, can't find no jeans. Every time I walk the
boy, band change, me now go over my time. And ladies, do remember to hustle any party you go. If you go one party and you not enough money, and you not no money in the party, and a man a look you, don't frowns. Thursday, hustle, blood clot, lifestyle, blood clot, 2020. And I mean, so here we now, cinnamons. You don't know the lifestyle of people. Because man was small.
You want to cinnamons?
Mother's big up. Did everything alright. Squitty.
Wait, it's on. Big up Johnny. Happy birthday, Johnny Cute French. Shout out to my bitch Nelly. Where you at? I'm looking for you all night. But big up Johnny. Big up yourself. Yeah.
See you everything alright.
Bye.
Yeah.
Ross Night Live. DJ Kenny. Yo, God no star. See that big you there. So my friend over there, so my brother. I'm a real brother. My shirt's big up. Oh, you know? Right now, this is French Connection. And big up to all you come from somewhere you represent for the place, but I want to hear.
I want to remember something I forgot. Yeah, I'm just
back to the road, back to this one. Back to I know you're not pushing in your place, running in the air. Reach out, never tell you don't stand. You know what you're telling them. Reach out, never. What on? You're not the chop, what on? You only come here once. I'm going to tell you about it. It's for the money, fucking move over. You're so much where you come from, them I try all of them, them I crack in that barrel. That's why you don't trust some of them in a real life. Big up all of you there with your realest blood clot friend, and why I tell them?
human beings, somebody said, take your life in. So if we don't protect myself, who the fuck on me? Somebody said they can get Amazon rolling. Typing on me. Message to homies. Ready now. Friends like these.
Christmas.
Who needed me?
What Christmas in a bush?
Unholy.
Yo, see that? I'm saying it again.
No one means somebody's enough. Take your life. So if we don't put yourself,
who the fuck on this? So we said it again. I'm rolling. Give me a big picture now. See that? I'm saying it. What are that? So we are telling them I'm friends like this. Who needed me? So we say who needed me? I'm saying it again. Who needed me? What are that?
Friends like this. Who needed me?
To talk to you, reason with you. Hey, God, the freedom is almost in the road to make you ready. What should you tell us here? We now get to the French Connection. Yo, create the see that? Yo, Scooty.
Remember that you're down.
See that? You know who you are. Come on, go show your sign. See that? It's only a matter of time. People, why you really dying? You man live that. See that? What one? So you tell them. Regime is a we are the meaning of loyalty. So that's the list of boy like your people. Family, now you want me. Go get someone.
Tell them move on there with the booker tail.
You don't remember the pussy that them wicked. I don't like pounds on them because my mama man in a real life. Like seriously, let me tell you why. I said them, we don't read them. So I said they don't feel friend. Everybody watch you, you can't friend. Watch you, you can't friend. Look for them boy, you know why you're better than them. Pussy, I said they don't feel friend. We get them back and friend. We get them out of here. How comes the man work and I want to live? Watch my things. Man, tell them what you say.
There's a bit of little to an actual. People enough to get them for the see that this is responsible. Mommy, look at all the friends of ones that never shut them over and never show them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Everybody tell them this one.
Anything is a reality.
What you say?
Someone said them about every copy.
You go see them.
And it was in love with me, they don't get. Let them pussy they
Oh, what you say?
and let them pussy they don't.
Who be boss?
Right, they copy they don't.
Shut down.
Let them pussy they don't.
So we say that
Let them pussy they don't.
rifle like a thing. Rifle like a thing. I hear some.
What is the dance of this deep girl? And bring it to your bum.
They got two who come from Tivoli, Jungle, Reno, Southside. Anybody from Waterhouse there? Anybody here from Walton there? Anybody there from Spanish Town? But guess what going on? Who the first man? Big up the blood clot countryman in the place. Manchester, Clarendon, St. Elizabeth. And the blood clot mommy, we can't tell them this.
the toughest bumper club from you outside. When the Kevin say the yellow say, yo, if you get cutie, that's why they call it in 2 times. Right drink again. Look at me, I want to run the table over this. You're authentic. I want to have a cup now. Bumper club, we can't tell you. Bumper club. So you know a buckle of pop around here. I'm joking me. I really like. Tell me. This one's Wild Bumbuckle of Christmas. Bujo Island. I'm telling them sleep on the sun. When you tell them I'm kidding. You're truly happy right here. Singing with the rest of the let's pull up and make it a bankrupt. So if you pay for the song, make sure you have 2 bills there and the song you pull up. The song in a bankrupt now. You know in a black club bankrupt, you're rich. Now listen, I don't want no more money. I want to look at bar pull up there. I want to look at the bar. If you pull up the sanya, buy 2 buckle of bum buckle of champagne. If you say you pop buckle, go at the bar, 2 buckle of champagne. In a real bum buckle of love. You're kicking out one. Life is wild like coconut. How much buckle you talk? 1, 2 buckle? Now you have to upgrade. You have to go to kiss in a real life table and tell them instant time. Yeah, and the vegan teacher tell them. Let's up to the 24th. We talk champagne. Look outside. Don't say I see this. Yo, where's where are you? You don't want to. Where's Miami? Alex. January 16th. Table. Pop another buckle. Move your vehicle now. Move your vehicle now. Move your vehicle. Yeah, play your ass. Pussy and pop back now when you go to the door, you get backed up. You're not bad. Are your friend them bad? Are your bad friend them now power you tonight? Pussy, what you gonna do? You better defend your bum buckle yourself. I want them to know which bum buckle I borrow them in. We can tell them some time they must have a started from the same team. No shot here, anybody reach that. Everybody tell them. This man from 90s, I'm telling you to know what the hard man is.
Give me that. Yo, me have to just tell you, all a bum buckler, my BS, big up. CLM, Flanker, and the maddest party for the whole year. I'm in name Ugar. Ugar Entertainment. Anytime I touch New York, a problem. Boy, this mobby a dirt. 6, fully 6, fully Gaza, fully 6, fully Gaza, Brooklyn, 90s. Them for know the thing work. Ugar, so that makes sense. Super size, you know, motherfucking gimmick. Boy, this clan them get bombs and bullets. How we do it? When the crime happen, how we do it? Gaza, fully 6. Boy, if you know this. Violator there, look for the table. Eh? Look around. How are them, Mitchell? Oh.
Why you believe it? You can't be having a post to one of the see that? It's a pull up. It's a pull up. It's a pull up. What you do about everything? Never like up when I say no special. You got me out in the post to one of the have you ever camera chat with me? Set up. And the labor right there, if you're a labor, it must be a black in the ear. If you're a labor, it must be a black in the ear. And the PAP there, PAP don't get covered, but some low black too. Bus back shot every labor right a fire shot. Bus back, buckle shot.
Big up, French Connection, 20 years. You hear what I said? 20 years. A lot of people don't even make it to 20 days, much years. French Connection, pick up yourself. Watch niceness. Watch niceness. Yeah, fully out. Gaza Daddy, fully niceness. Pick up my friend Tawana, real friend. Big up me. Big up, big up, big up. I don't remember all your names right now because I'm frost the fuck out. My eyes are leaning. So pick up the whole of French Connection crew from Gaza Daddy streets.
We don't know what they say, they're not somebody now. I will never get to come in our house. We don't know what they say, they're not somebody now. Because there's a bunch of the stop and action. Tap and action, so much is later. I'm going to function. When they are tap and tap, them are tap about things. If you buy a new house in a New York, they must say you sell drugs. If you pass them in a new 2021 Benz, they must say the boy you fuck. But you know, when you get money for buy Benz,
new girl, what's the Mr. Chrome girl? Alright, dark and pretty girl. They must say you're name the girl, pussy. Only for low people business alone. Who not wanna get to you can't get blood clot rich boy. What the fuck them here about kicking her? Let me tell them this year, man. Bamina, if I know the bang, I'm so done. Yeah, I'm gonna belly the one who fall in the man, I'm moving the foot. Let me get your ball here. Get it, grab it right now. Grab it right now, get it.
Me look at it. Me and Das this. Don't know. Thursday, December 17th. Don't know. Champion, everything. And me. On a long and strong. Big up yourself, French country. Let me know it go. You know, everything up, you know. My man, a long and strong. French connection. Big up yourself. Manners and respect. Next week, Thursday, a murder.
When the touch a girl breast it cut hard. Because me now when a girl see me in New York and mind me and beat me with a bump up like jazz. Swear to God, the man never agree with me say bust a black kid at the end now. The man never know you work hard for your bump up like money. Yes, when they get bump up like pay boy. $100 million, billion, $1 million,
Black Legacy, we outside. Take a look at the Bumbo Club place, wildlife, crocodile, we outside like every night. You hear that? It's a good look. Big up yourself, my brothers. Holy Wild, December 26th, my brother thing. You hear that? Kingston Hype. You hear that? They move for the address and they don't know the job go. A wildness. Holy bad, man. Big up woman to Star. Star Code, check her out on YouTube. Bad artist, you hear that? We fully wild and outside like every night. Man.
Are you serious right now?
Boom, you know, still in a check it out, you know. Black Legacy, you know. A movie, you know. We there, you know. We outside, wildlife, I represent. Money chip. Start, big up yourself. Brown man, Stevie, Poppy. You know the chip go. White, outside.
You don't know already, it's your girl Star in the building. Big up to French Connection, you don't know the party is shot. And now we say, you don't have to like me, and I don't have to care. So suck your mother kindly. Star calling out the building representing, you already know.
Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Because I will open my little place in the Bronx. Keep a one party with you. Them say blacks, you're shot now, you're rich now. And I said, dog, when they even know a man I come from in the youth. Them don't know when they sleep on the fruit, the man must look like the gun buckle of concrete. Them don't know when I pass the common entrance and I got Calabar, and I forgot bump buckle of town every day when I school, my man I go sell back juice. Them don't know when I push on the trolley past song, then I sell ice cream cake.
December 31st, outside, loud and clear. Yeah, December 31st, outside with them. Yeah, heard, mad something. Chopper.
Never get to you. I am just for the dream. One time nothing control that. One or two sides away. Be careful what you will leave till go to. One time kid, and we don't even know which door to go. Everywhere we go, me have to walk with this. Now make them stop only we suffer. Left my money and me a do it for life. From the bad mother, I used to star. We can't just Yo, Creed. Everything good over the bar? Everything good, Creed? Just feel like I hear anthem this Creed. See that? Yeah, Creed, tell them, say, you know, you need a fabulous. See that? Some coast up on the road in Jamaica, couple taxi, few apartments, couple apartments in New York also. Because if you live here, turn up the flame and the place get dark. Your father, one. Them gonna get fucked after party tonight. After the party, everything but fuck me, them girls look like part of vampire. See, I can do the things for me like see that. So the DJ is singing like that. See that. The tequila and she and the legacy. The party, their legacy. But if you told them again, when you're in a boy, can't lock up the house and see you to die. Come on, when you like it. You can't stop on them when you're dead. You know what I know, things we talk about. You gotta like. What you say? What? What you say? See that? Oh, Jesus.
You a big boy, you gotta move easily, okay?
Make sure you can't bumper clap fight. The wife gonna walk with some knife and stab up one on. But let's feel like that's son, I'm a grandfather this son. More time in a life, people, you do some things to some people. You take your thing for granted in a real life. More time you pound with them and you show them love and tell us that you're youth, you know. All 50s, all of the family them, everybody big up. I don't know when the two talk long enough. Fire blocks, lock it up, walk it. I say a word, Michelle. You don't get to take away my son. I'm about to take away my son. Bring it on them. What them son, yo. So it's how we shift on them. You're feeling like you fuck on them. What on them. See just. Bring it on. What on them. Sing that. What are they? You what? The kids are one side enough. One side up. I'm sitting again. Plug it, talk your man. Kenny, I locked up a girl function. And you know we have a man function. So here, you see the song there? Plug this song. You check this one everywhere. Read, please, it's not too much to ask. You understand me? 24. Blocky, I'm gonna find you some. Now let them with DJ. See me? Why party nice? Right, Nick.
But all of that, a Paul Rose. You see Miss Rose? And you see all the lady here, First Lady, French Connection to the World. With them there. A Danger does it talk on the microphone. Yeah, big up live TV. Yeah, we say Gully Side to the World. BETV. Short to the road, Adman Lane. You see me, Adman Lane me come from. You see me, look a bit from Gully Bank. Copy that. See it. Gully Bank now have nothing from with. For a long time, I'm slapping them lane. Irving Lane. Food there. The pepper shrimp sell off. You copy? You see all this is true chicken. Rose gold. Rose. Sexy Rose. Sexy Rose. See her there? You see she look sexy? Look on a lady there good. Look on a lady there good. I see a lady in her black. You see she look and she not smile. You have to watch her, you know. And the real boss around here. But you see the one in the white? Oh gosh. First Lady. Yeah. You see the First Lady. You see the shoe chicken. You see the shoe chicken and the white rice. Johnny Cash. It's sell off. Yeah. Rose Gold Kitchen. Yeah. Oh gosh, a grown god that a talking person. But the boy them don't know. Outer road. Outside. Yeah. For putting on the girl them outside. Boom, boom. To the next level. A Danger does his attack. French Connection to the World. Johnny Cash, Seas, Nika French. You don't know, try. Anyway, you're there, you don't know the thing set up. Jedi. Yeah, the real boss. Don't know. Big up Malvo. Real boss. Wang Sang. Twizzle. Seller. Bananas. Yeah. Make a boy slide. Don't know how do all things set. Yeah. But you don't know, say a TV here. Say you to say a Gully Side. Where you say B. Short to the road, Adman Lane. You don't know the sit set around a gully, you know. 4 roads. Yeah. Spring. Yeah. Cassava Peace. Don't say a word. Yeah. But right now, Brooklyn with it. Johnny Cash, French Connection to the World. Boy on a body like we. How them did it. Yeah. Boy on a screw off them face, but them not ready. How them ready? Them not ready. How them ready? They not joke with it. Boom! Zane, but all about Rose Kitchen, you saw the road, you saw the porch, the curry goat nice. A girl them a come feet, you know, and that I revive them in the morning. You see the pepper shrimp, and that make enough girl breed. For the man them love it. Yeah? You see me? Man, here's the First Lady, we see her. But, like a boy know them not bad like French Connection. Outer road, we say. Outside. I put the thing that the girl them outside. Wow. Man, video nice lady. Yeah, I love her outfit. She look nice. It's still off. Anyway, I buy her outfit, I tell them say it's more and more. Tell her the money the man them say, money you have to spend. You have to bring the money come. For you come from grand spend. Don't borrow nor lend. Yeah? Still the thing say, look on the ear or the design set. And the makeup though. Oh my gosh! Eh! Real TV! You see what things said live. Yeah, for stay up on the Gully Side, you know. French Connection movements. She nice, you see things set up. Hey, you see the pum pum fat. Hey, mad bumbo clad. You. Salah. What are the big?
Yeah. Boy can't flap and no girl can't stop. My name, and my name can't trade. My name coming like Nike and Adidas. My name sell itself. Last laugh. Today is my birthday. So, happy birthday. Listen to me. Do not talk about ramping over here. Because it's not that good. Okay? I'm going to big up French Connection. You know them things set. Loud. And this is no other than the ramping shop, a.k.a. Plaza. I do my thing. First, them said that me tuck my belly. After that, them say me fix me titty. Now I spread the rumor say me do me body. Look at me have 7 bikini. And if me talk, I feel me money. When me a talk, me never beg nobody. No for talk, them not have no money. If I made up, they made a do them body. When you see me, don't hate me. This is the land of the opportunity. Stop watch me and go make some money. Ramping shop come fit tell everybody. Grammy body me have the Grammy body. Grammy body me have the French Connection thing. Loud.
She out like a spliff tail. We can't get no more the Ramping Plaza. You have a booking and looking. You go follow her on Facebook and Instagram and all about. Follow her alone, she not go nowhere. Alright, that's what she there. And we say Ramping Shop, French Connection thing, Biggie Bantan, Team Super Force. We're out! Bomba. Yeah. You have a balance it. Yeah. And a answer it. You know what I say? I'm not telling you, you know, so I check for you. I feel like the news and make for you.
Balance it. Let me say balance it at 54. So 54 neat. Balance it, yeah. With 7 kids and 4 grandkids. Balance it. Balance it. You know, so the security are tight. And him going big, you know. We outside. We outside. I'm going to big up there. My nice sexy friend over there. Yes. Big up my nice Primrose over there. And you know, so Ramping Shop in the building. And listen, I'm big up my towel friend. Because I miss a towel. Towel, Waterhouse, yeah. Up Olympic Way and Bay Farm Road. And that's where I come from. Big up the Etebany Road. And that's where my things set. And big up my brother Shower Man. A.K.A. Elder. And big up Bay Farm Villa. We outside. We outside. So.
Biggie Bantan and Ramping Shop. They are on the interview. Fresh Prince, Alicia, the one over there. We're there. Yo, Fresh Prince, say a thing, brother. Say a thing, Fresh Prince.
Them, they bad like French. Yo. Hear me, son, no? Biggie Bantan, the one over there, French Connection. From day one, Johnny Q, Lucky Seas, Wang Sang, Twister. We're there, you know, a mad thing, man, mad ass thing, man. Fucking them, made they taking a piss blood. Yo, Biggie Bantan, them for know, you know. Yo, them for know. Our thing
Way
this.
back like you see it. You see it. And I will say, blood clot, Dunkirk sister, in the building, and be a celebrity there.
French Connection, big up your blood clot self. Party little.
Yeah, Ramping Shop. Come in, Alicia, say something. French Connection interview.
Big up French Connection, real recognize real. Big up yourself, Johnny French. Big up yourself, Twister. Big up yourself, CC. Big up yourself, Plaka.
Watch her. Watch the dance. Bomba. Whoa. Watch her. Wale Malaysia. Ramping Shop. Ramping Plaza. Oi. Bomba. All right now. Alicia. All right. All right now. Dunkirk sister. Biggie Bantan for the interview. Me and Ramping Shop there. Ramping Shop, where are you doing? Come in, my friend. French Connection, Brown in there.
While you know, Mama crooks to the world, and we said January the 14th, now good again. While, straight, while.
You know what's happening for Biggie Bantan there? The girls them there. I hear something, the Ramping Shop, talk to them.
Well, okay, listen. I bring down my son, him have a bad son. I bring down my son, Sean John.
If you never get a soap, you cannot say you're a jealous.
I don't know if Sean John the boss I represent. No.
Rampant Plaza, you don't know the things that already. French Connection, you don't know the chefs already. Yo, kiss go that. Chant and the boss, Mona, you hear that? Outside, nah, it's the thing, you hear it?
Oi!
How we celebrate Rampant Plaza straight? Yeah, plaka.
Big up my baby party straight. Yeah, Stella, watch out. Live and direct, yeah. Love you, baby. Misty, big up Rampant Shop. Happy birthday, my friend. 54 years old. Big up Sensation. My type was oldest. French gotta get body shots. Misty in the building. Misty straight. Hey, look at my friend.
Yeah, I will say, big up Tanika, my friend for life. I know him alone. A man can't talk to you know. And when I will support them, say summer road.
Everything go. See who got in the building. Yo, big up French Connection. Outside. Everything, you know everything go.
Tanika, Misty. Yeah. Say my friend here, ladies support the event. Real pretty ladies. Say something. Big up French Connection. I've been every event. Yeah man, big up French Connection. French Connection event. You don't know anything go. You know it's BETV for Jamaica. BET Jamaica. You know must. And we are the maker. Alright. See ladies them here. Ladies and rude boy. Enjoy the vibes. French Connection. BET Jamaica live. Enjoy the vibes. Yeah. They must. I'm a friend this. Jennifer. Soji First Lady. French Connection has supported BETV. Say big up French Connection.
Big up French Connection.
They must. I don't say anything there. Oh, hey. You want to say anything? You want to big up any family, any friend, anybody? Can you party around me now? Where you say, road boy? Where you say? You have anybody to big up? Anybody, big up anybody? All right, ready? All right. Come with him. All right. Come with him. Yo. Bubble girl. We say bash. Straight out of Brooklyn, New York. You know
Big up French Connection. My brother them from day one. Here's where I come. Party shot. You don't know it. Oh God bless. No man curse. I hate. Big up the fucking world. I hate. Big up Black Thing. 24th of the month.
You know I hate man. 24th of December. I hate movie style. You don't know what thing go up top to the fucking world.
Yeah man, it's 24th of December. Right, yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah. You know it's BETV, straight out of Jamaica, live and direct. A pay sexy girl we having at the event, pay nice ladies. You know it's a French Connection event. Big up French Connection.
Yeah, Tashi staying in the building. We're going to pick up all the spots and every brother family in a moment. Big up French Connection party shot. All the way from Atlanta, Ripple say Tashi staying. And big up my husband Gaza. And watch out for Bliss Reloaded.
All right, make me search a party now. All right. Ready.
If you never get blood clot,
Ready.
you cannot be a fucking girl.
Ready. All right, ready. You know we're about to charge there. Yes, we're about to the event. Here's them about charging. You don't know, yeah. All right now. Yeah. Yeah, man. And we say French Connection party list. Every kind of ladies will enjoy the party. Big up French Connection.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. All in the building, French Connection. BETV Jamaica. There it is, yeah. Tenemos. You have anything to say?
Big up better body. Big up Johnny.
Big up yourself.
Big up French Connection. Big up Daipu. December 20, straight. Big up better body.
Yeah. And you don't know what to say. And we say French Connection. And we say French Connection for life. And my brother say French Connection. French Connection. Every time I do. And my brother, they say French Connection for life. And we are going to go through. All right now. You said full black and black event. Black and black. Mad Ras in the building. Red Ras.
Yo, the party body of work, dog. Big up to the internet where they are. The social media where they are. A two madman they are stand up. What Mrs.
Check. Yo, French Connection party, black. And we say black. And with all the people in the place support the building. Man like Brown, original man, you support the event. Say something.
French Connection. Mad French Connection. You know that's something I got. Big up a image. Real Reds boss. You don't know. Mad Ras in the building. No good. Big up yourself. Big up.
Yeah, man. We have a big up Mad Ras. The man that take plane for taxi to reach at the event. You see me? The man that go around it like a roundabout, a merry-go-round. So you have a big up Mad Ras. The man that flying for it, them book for it. You know what I say? Have anything to say? Anything to say? Big up French Connection, anybody?
Yo, yeah, man, French Connection, big up on yourself, you know. Fire Blocks, the World Blocks, Cinemax, you know the thing, you understand me? Mad Rassin on the place, Fire Blocks there. Can't get no better than this. Punish Town, you never think good, the whole of Waltham, Girl de la Town. Lucky in, man. Yeah.
Yo, one buckle girl. She carry the most buckle. Look man, buckle girl. You carry the most buckle. Be about to the biggest. Yeah, you don't know where we go. See me dance at them here. Where see me dance at?
Yo, KK famous, more famous ladies. Early famous drinks. Maybe my girl KK, you're more famous. Early.
Yo, French Connection member. French Connection. The family them there. It's a sell-off event. Yo man like Twister French. That's a
Yo, first of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out, because trust me, it's a wonderful moment. Everybody come support.
Yeah.
Respect.
Them man are clean, beard every minute. You know what I say? One song French, we are out of, boom, him there. One song.
Big up everybody. The whole globe. So me I say right now, work more, big up and big up yourself. Johnny Q, big up yourself for your Earth Strong, Little C's, your Z, Twister, HQ, Chicken, the whole team.
Yeah man, all of the dance and them book fit. You know me say me dance a French book fit. Say something French Connection.
Good night. I just want to say big up French Connection, your party salam. Big up, yo, long time. Big up Born Famous. Big up KK Famous. Come back. Big up KK Famous from Born Famous. Unique Famous. Yo, big up Matix. Yeah, don't know. Big up everybody. Dre. Big up Dread. Yeah, don't know. Respect King.
I'm a dancer. I'm ready for most of the players. Yeah. Yo, big up everybody. French Connection a pass. Yeah. Yeah, you don't know. Yeah. Mad move. Sure. Bomb Tenemos. Yo. Hey. Load up your mother. Yo, Fresh Prince. You don't know where we go. Here's the brother. Say something, French Connection thing. Big up French Connection.
Yeah, man. Big up French Connection to the fullest. You don't know we're there. I enjoy ourselves. A life, you know. Yeah, man. See it there? Don't say a word, man.
Yeah, man. Everybody, forward out. Yeah, man. Yo, you can't go in the security, you have a big pocket and nobody no want to take it away from away. Them brother are bigger than the average human being. You know what I mean? So that's why we're real security. Big up the security, yo, security. Big up anybody have to big up. Anything you have to say?
Yo, shout out to everybody, man. Love is love, man. Peace and love.
Yeah, man. Respect for the security. Respect for the security. You don't know where we go. Yes, a party event. Big up the next security. You know what I mean? I say big up the ladies, big up the hookah spot. We have the hookah spot right here over here so you can get your hookah. You understand? Hookah ladies. Want a free one?
No, you don't get no free one.
Oh, okay. No free one, but see, let them have security. This is BETV Jamaica, you know what I say? So you're live and direct in Jamaica. All the man who ride a donkey go watch you on TV. You know what I say? Because that's how we do it now, you know. We have a phone in our hand. You know what I say? And big up the security guard, and we are secure so nobody no thief the hookah. Because we well thief in a foreign, you know. That's how we drop it a foreign. Yeah. And back to the party. You know it's a French Connection event. Oh,
ready? Yeah, I'm say BETV. I'm say right now, French Connection all black with the scene. One dance, only dance. Look on the table them. Look there. Go there, look there. Look there. Go there, look there, look there. Buckles pan buckles, shellings. Buckler, look there. Black legacy, shellings. Look there. Cut. What the blood clot. It's not normal. BETV, it's not normal. Look there, see it there. I say, big up the whole entourage, the whole family. I would say French Connection straight. Johnny Q, big up on your birthday. You don't know so we're there, we represent. You see what I do with? Look on the dance. Look on the dance, BETV. Look on the dance. Could it? People don't even want to leave. People don't want to left. People still there. Dance done. Look on the dance. Catch a girl them. Look on the girl them. Look there. Black Legacy. BETV. A Paula that. Yo, big up Paula, you know. I aim that, you know. Paula, big up yourself, you know. Up and running, you know. Check the people, watch it. Them don't want to leave. BETV, them don't want to live. You see it, people, you don't know when you want good video quality, good image, you have to check out BETV. You don't know a thing already, you know. Saying, you know, a family thing. Listen me now. A Black Legacy we say. And it don't get no better than this. 2021, look out for it again. Black Legacy Part 2. It's going to be an epic event. Yo, seize, Johnny Q, a murder. Check that, watch out. People don't even want to leave. People don't want to left. Black Legacy. Look on the dance. Catch the dance. Man still have a buckle on the table. Black Legacy with it. Whole family out. Next year, Black Legacy, Arkansas French Connection, family, next year, BETV, a book feet each and every year. Let me tell you something now. My friend named June Plum.
Big up DJ Kenny. Big up French Connection.
Straight.
This is years. This is
Straight.
years.
Long
this is
time.
not no new just
Long
come.
time.
Big up French Connection.
time.
Big up Troy
Long
in
time.
Yard. Yes. And French Connection said DJ Kenny from day one.
Long
Big
time.
up my guys. This was a very nice party. This was a really good look. And the French Connection movement is taking off.
All right,
yes.
June Plum. Big up yourself. Biggie Bantan.
Kenny and June Plum go way back like Cassie.
Long time.
Yes.
Way back like Cassie.
Right.
All right. I mean, I say big up Biggie Bantan. They don't know the thing of it, man. Circle the girls them now. Let me show you what I go on a Black Legacy. Let me show you what I go on a Black Legacy. When you come a Black Legacy, you see at buckle girls like these. Look how the buckle girl at. Come here, buckle girl. See there? She at. Listen, man, she at. I was a Black Legacy. And them girls are sell off the event. See there? Black Legacy. At. Money. When you look on her, you see money. Buckles popping. I mean, I say BETV. Let me say each and every year, you don't know Black Legacy. You don't know Johnny Q. Big up yourself. You don't know. No, listen to me, man. Plaka. One dancer. Big up yourself. You don't know the thing. Got the whole entourage there. BETV. Catch the girls. Look there. Them don't even want to leave. Look. They don't want to leave. Black Legacy at. Black Legacy, they're on fire. See there, them don't like the video. Leave them alone. See, look at the bar. Everything gone. Everything gone, BETV. Everything gone off of the shelf. The bar sold the fuck out. Everything sold out. The bar gone. Huh? Say the bar sold out. Look on the bar, sold out. Catch out my friend, seize. Smile, my smile. See it there? I saw my friend if smile again. I like it. French Connection, straight. Yo, what am I?
You don't know, French Connection is a good look. Black Legacy, 20th anniversary. You see me? Big up Johnny Q, big up on your birth strong, brother. You understand? Big up everybody who turn out. Me nah lie, it's a good look. All who me not get big up, me nah lie, big up everybody. Big up everybody. You understand? It's a good look. Everybody will support you and give you the strength. Big up on yourself. You understand? Johnny, come say a thing quick.
BETV, you don't know you come late, you know, but we want to big up the thing same way. Right now, you with BETV, we're not paying nobody when we come late, so sorry for them. But BETV is the number one. I don't mean to BETV, I love you. You come and you make it same way, part done early, but I want love. You're gone, so big up yourself. But I love to big up full yard. You see me I say full yard, Caraman, video man, there. Big up everybody come show crazy love and support. Big up Rodney, Big Youth, Mashrex, DJ Kenny, Fire Blacks, and Madras. Big up all of bartender them, big up all of my guests them. Big up Sam, big up Lightning, big up the Ras, big up the girl, Chanel Rochester, baby, big up Mr. Ras Bowler, one link, one love. One the best jerk chicken and the best fried fish them, peppers. Oh. Black Legacy was a hit. People who miss it, this it. Next year, don't miss it. Remember, me tell you, it's going to be crazy. The video man did it early next year. Yo, one song, say a thing, one song. One song French to the world. So one more thing. French Connection.
Mad, big up the whole team. Johnny, let me say big up the Earth Strong, Little Seas, Twister, HQ. Big up the whole New York, the Globe. HQ, hold on. Big up yourself, Johnny Cute, I don't know. Sita. Twister, big up yourself. Wang Song, big up yourself. Johnny Cute, Little Seas.
Big up Price and the whole Asian Star crew in the building. Your Price. Back. The whole Asian Star crew. My love my friend come share the thing, you see me? So you know one link. Black Legacy continue. Big up everybody who come support us. The party was a movie. As I say already, it was a movie, me not lie. Next time, bigger and better place, don't run yourself. You see me? So, Ace of Spade, enough respect.
And sorry people for the, you see me? All the party end. You don't know, misunderstanding, you see me? Misunderstanding, but you don't know, look out again for the next one. You understand who miss it? Big up on yourself same way, you understand? Mad. BETV, you don't know. French Connection, Little Seas talking. You understand? Dane Badger. Big up the whole Engdem crew. You understand? Dane Badger, big up yourself.
French thing. Don't know a blessing, you hear that? So who God bless no man curse. Big up yourself, the whole of French. Don't know, 9th of January, Dane Badger. Look out for 2021, you hear that? Mother Road. There. Full joy yourself, day and night, out there, night street, up. Game ball up. Bless up yourself, you hear that? Johnny French, you don't know, big up yourself, happy birthday. Say, my brother for life, the whole on French Connection. Bless up on yourself.
Up, Dean Badger, one link, Raspola, one link. Say already, Raspola.
Well, I don't know. A Raspola pass through now, you don't know. Yo, the party shot, the party sell off. You don't know. Peter Gay, big up yourself, up and running. Yo, the party sell off. Big up Peppers, the best jerk chicken in Brooklyn. Up and running. Polo. Jason, big up yourself. Up. Johnny British, French Connection. Yo, Amma, where you there? Big up yourself. Up and running, me co-worker, live in that place. You don't know. Party shot. Black Legacy. Trust me, 2021 I go bigger. Badder. Bigger event. You don't know. Up. Yeah, man. What do you think about First Connection?
I'm a man party. Look how it's shot. Watch out. Shot to the world. French Connection to the world, yeah.
French Connection, you don't know.
Yo, Johnny.
Twister. Wow. Yo, the party shot, man. Me love the vibes. You are the biggest thing, man. Me I tell you. The party shot. Everybody enjoy themselves. Everything sell off. You don't know. Big youth, big up yourself. Up, big youth. Big youth, big DJ. Yo, you don't know. DJ Kenny. Up. Rodney. Done up, big DJ. What you mean? 90s. What do you think about French Connection?
It's a guan. It is shut down. What do you mean? Everything a guan, everything hot. Bottles up hot. Look at the place. Look at the place.
Everybody enjoy themselves. You don't know. Everybody. Thanks for coming. You're looking so beautiful. Yo, video man. Video arch. Looking so beautiful.
I don't have my shoes on. Don't get the shoes. Don't get the...
Oh my God. Don't watch the
everything
shoes.
else.
Yeah, she's so
I don't
beautiful.
have my heels on.
Yeah.
But everything else is...
Okay.
Well,
Everybody enjoy themselves. A Raspola. You don't know. Twister. Say something now, Twister. Can you make it possible?
I love you know. Yo, listen now. I want to thank everybody for coming out. You see me? I say all of the ladies them. You understand? Big up again. And thank you for all of the support. Big up my brethren Johnny, Caesar, Wang Sang. You understand? Be mine at the building, said speed. Big up the Rasta. You know the thing already. Players in the building same way. I say a word, man. Cool, now coming at the camera.
Big
man.
up Twister, French Connection, Johnny Q, Malva, the whole clans, 51st crew. Big up in yourself, Biggie Banton. Big up Malva, the Warlord, the whole clans. Sir Player said that straight.
Any other way are there. You understand what I say? Walk around and big up some people. See me I say, see General over here, say, you know. See me I say, yo, see, I aim all on the thing and make sure so everything organized and work the right way. You see me I say? So, because you see things are run smooth, so because I aim. Don't tell nobody so me say that.
Yo, big up yourself. Keep doing your thing. Y'all already know the energy. It's amazing. Can't wait to see more.